Good morning, Internet, from the village. We're Test of Home. We showcase homesteading lifestyle. And I'm currently here at our rural homestead in Zimbabwe in an area called Domboshava. And yeah, I'm in the village, and so we're trying to start building our rural homestead, possibly for retirement or for projects for now until we reach a stage to retire. So today I've got a very busy day. I've got about 20 tasks that I need to accomplish, and so I'm gonna start with buying a ticket back to our urban homestead in Johannesburg. So I want to get a ticket in Harare. I have to travel, I think, almost 35 to 40 kilometers to go there. And so once I get the ticket, I need to come right back because I got a few things that I need to sort out before I leave the homestead. So that at least the caretaker would then just take care of the things, maintain other stuff. So I hope my day today is gonna be a good one. So let's get going. So now I'm going to Harare, to town. I'm all packed up and ready, and so I hope to take you along. Hopefully I'll be able to record, because recording in Harare is very difficult. Especially on the streets. Here in the rurals, we're free. We're 100% free to record and stuff. But where there's a lot of people, it's a bit difficult to just pull out your camera and start recording. People, they kind of camera shy. But I will try and take you along as I buy the ticket and back. And but during the day, throughout the day, you're gonna be with me. I'll be doing a lot of things around the homestead. So, all right, guys, I'll see you in the next clip, hopefully on my way there. All right, cheers, guys. I've arrived at the showgrounds. Now I need to look for a taxi or combi to Harare town. Okay, I'll probably find a taxi there where there's the bus. I got a taxi. Right, so I'm now in a taxi, and I have to wait for it to get full. I'm the only one, literally. Alright, so I got the ticket and it's lunchtime. So I got some lunch. This quick takeaway place. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. today was a long day. I had a big list of things to complete. So I'm probably gonna spend my last night here at the homestead. Yeah, at the rural homestead. And yeah, I'm kind of sad because, geez, I like it here. And you know, if all things were equal, gosh, I wouldn't want to go back. I would want to go back to the 9 to 5 corporate life. Yeah, but yeah, anyway, yeah, gotta pay the bills and stuff. Bills that we don't even need to pay if we were staying here. But anyway, I got a few items that I still need to install around the homestead to improve the security a little. I noticed it can get a little bit too dark outside at night. Yeah, because there's no lights and stuff. So I bought some floodlights that I intend to install now. Yeah, but it's a little bit very high. It's a little bit high up there. So I'm gonna make a plan, see if I can install them. They're solar powered and nobody has to turn on and off switches because they do it themselves. They're automatic. Yeah, so I got those, and then you might have seen me on the drone carrying a piece of wood. Is it wood? Timber, a piece of timber. Yeah, so I want to use that to mount my solar items in the house. So you saw my charging station the other time, it was on the floor. So when I mount it on the wall, I don't have the power tools to be drilling and doing all that stuff yet here at the homestead. I intend to get maybe some battery powered power tools. Yeah, and then yeah, so I'm gonna use some concrete nails. Let me just show you quick. I got some concrete nails here. I'll just hammer it on the wall, and then this piece of timber, I'm gonna cut it and mount it on the wall as well, so I can mount my stuff there. And then these are the floodlights that I got. They're just 10-watt solar powered, so I will mount these, one in the front here and the other one at the back there, to light the way from the gate. And then yeah, I got this 2.5 millimeter electric cable, right? Yeah, I think so, power cable or whatever thing. So it's a 2.5 millimeter, and then I got this fish line. So I want to use this tomorrow morning, hopefully, because my bus is at 3 p.m. So between morning and 12 midday, yeah, I can do a lot of other things done, and of course some security stuff there for the gate and stuff. Yeah, and then we have, yeah, this tool. I'm just gonna use it to cut there. And then I also got some pliers. I noticed there wasn't any pliers lying around here, so I got that. So yeah, so I wanna now just install mainly the floodlights so I can see them work tonight, because it's my last. This one, if I don't come right now, I'll probably do it in the morning, so no problem there. So yeah, so let me get to the floodlights before it gets too dark, so I can see if they actually work. Yeah, they tested them, they work. Yeah, so I want to see them working on the homestead. Yeah, and then I got some 3-inch nails. I'm probably gonna use them somewhere, I'm not sure yet. They were like going for like $1.50 or something US. So I thought, let me just get the whole pack. Even if there's some remaining, I'll just chuck them somewhere, use them next time. And yeah, so that's it. So yeah, watch me install the floodlights and wish me luck. All right, okay, so let's unbox these. Just open it up. So it comes with a remote control for turning it on and off. Yeah, you can set it to turn on for 5 hours and stuff. Yeah, but I'm just gonna let it run on the automatic mode, so that I don't have to, no one has to babysit them to see if they're on or off. But this will just help since they'll be high up there. And it comes with a manual, or is a picture, just says solar light. Okay, I don't know if it's really visible. Okay, let's see, come closer. Just says solar light product using the installation, blah blah blah. Yeah, so just a bunch of pictures. Yeah, and there's some installation notes here, but well, I don't really need this. Yeah, because I mean it's straightforward for me. So it's just a panel, small panel. This probably comes here somewhere, and then got a bunch of screws, and this is the actual light. All right, let's see. I think this comes here. I was just busy putting this last screw here. For the small panel. Okay, cool, there we go. So let's see who I can start with. Let's start with this guy. I'll probably use screws. It's much easier. Screws. I brought these screws here. They're easier to use, and I got a few screwdrivers that I can use. Okay, so I'm gonna try and mount it on this piece of timber protruding here. If I fail, then probably that one. Worst case scenario, if I still can't reach the last one there. So yeah, so just watch me do it. Gotta get a drum to go up there. Being short like I am, I highly doubt I'm gonna reach that one. It's way too tall. Way too tall for me. So let's see where I end. Barely. So I'm probably gonna put it right there. Yeah. The panel, the small panel. But let's see where this takes me. Okay, get this out of the way. I'm sure you can barely see me now because it's dark now. There we go. All right. Okay. Just gonna put it here somewhere. If I put it like this, to be much better. So I'm gonna just put it here. There we go. Now I can do that. Much better. Better already. Okay, now I just need to put the small panel up. I'm probably gonna tie these wires around because it's a little bit too long. It's a little bit too long. Now I need to put the other one at the back or at the front. Let me get it. Hope I can still win with it. Hope I win. Okay. And here it's a little bit more flatter, so it's better. Right, I'm just gonna put the screws like I did on the other side. Screws first. Now it's time to screw it in. All right, see, let's go. I'm sure it's now like super dark, guys, but at least the sound, you can still hear me. That's the most important part. Okay, one screw is in. It's now darker. Second light done. So dark now, but well, it's fine. It's not the brightest light, but it's okay. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick installation of 2 floodlights.